In a city like Mumbai, where one of the major issue people face is traffic, what if I tell you I've got you a project which is well connected? Be it Borivali station at a distance of 5 minutes, metro station distance of 5 minutes, Western Express Highway again at a distance of just 5 minutes. Yes, I am talking about Veena Luxury Living by Veena Developers located in Borivali West, Sai Baba Nagar. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the neighborhood, guys. This road right here leads you to the main road. In this teaser, we are going to be discussing about the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here, where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 3 acres with only 3 towers, ground plus 40 floors with configuration of 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK. Talking about connectivity of this project, it has everything within just 5 minutes. So it is located in Sai Baba Nagar, Borivali West. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the neighborhood, guys. From this project, Western Express Highway is at a distance of just 5 minutes. Metro station is at a distance of just 5 minutes. Borivali station is at a distance of just 5 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this very wonderful project has 70 plus luxurious amenities, which includes an Olympic-sized swimming pool, cricket turf, multi-purpose court, kids play area, gym, and many more. Talking about carpet area, this project has 3 configurations as mentioned, 2 BHK ranging from 686 square feet to 747 square feet, 2.5 BHK having carpet area of 836 square feet, and 3 BHK having carpet area ranging from 900 square feet to 1181 square feet. Talking about booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI plan. We'll also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for 2 BHK is going to be 2 lakh rupees and 3 BHK is going to be 3 lakh rupees. So everyone, this was the teaser of Veena Luxury Living by Veena Developers located in Borivali. To get more information about this very amazing property, download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, also check the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.